We have begun.
This is our breakfast because we're traveling today and we got distracted because this is our favorite orchard because we can pick grapes. So the grapes are in season, so we had to stop.
Alright, Daddy's gotta get off his pressure sores and lay down, so we have to go back, eat pizza, and then we'll go.
McKenna's? Alex's. McKenna's? Alex's.
So say fridge broke, got new fridge.
We had the new fridge put in. That was a big 5-hour project. And that was about a week ago, and now it stopped working. It was tripping the GFI outlet on the inverter.
So what was the problem? What did we screw up in the first place?
The problem was we added this fan. Well,
I told him he
smart.
shouldn't do it.
It is smart.
I was not there at the time.
Because we added the fan for ventilation because inside this enclosure there's not much circulation of air. And we got real slick. This is where we went wrong, I think. We wired it in directly to the power cord of the refrigerator. And with it being in there, I think it caused either too much current leakage or it was like a ground short. That was the error message we got on our surge protector.
Take everything out of the fridge and
working.
spread it around the RV like that. Yeah, yeah, you would eat it all, wouldn't you, Carmel?
I would like to point out our popsicle is water.
Yeah.
Carmel, do you want the ball?
Hi, what are you doing? You gonna go get McKenna?
Alright, so we have yet another RV improvement project in the works here. This time it's a trundle bed that we installed into the motorhome. Wasn't part of it originally, but the back support on the bed, show them where it is.
This back support was originally like this front support.
Super cheap.
Cardboard, basically.
It's basically like
A
cardboard
wood.
press board.
It's like a pretend wood.
Yeah, it's
And
not real wood, and it
so
actually bent.
It bent down, so then this little piece that was here kind of snapped, and then the bed got all odd. And now we gotta put these slats that actually hold the mattress up.
So here's the finished product with the mattress on it. Looks good, it's supporting, it's not cracking and falling down.
I'm gonna put all my weight on this point. This is where it cracked. So I'll just like stand right here. And it's good.
It stayed up, Alex.
Woo!
No, I'm videotaping now. What are you girls doing?
McKenna is painting her nails for the community day. Architect's doing a candy lane for community day. Yes, and McKenna is going to be handing out bubblegum candy thingies. So she has to have pink nail polish.
McKenna never wears nail polish.
Have you ever worn?
Nope.
It's a nail painting party.
Okay, let's go.
One might wonder why we have so much nail polish.
For making washer necklaces for Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes.
Now, Alex is experienced at painting nails because she does it for her aunt. Don't worry, we'll show pictures of McKenna all dressed up in her pink tomorrow, won't we?
Yeah, I didn't have any pink. I had to go shopping to find, and I couldn't find any pink. 5 stores just to find a pink shot.
You should have your nails longer.
No, because they have to be short to play violin.
Hi, McKenna. McKenna's waving at everybody. So yours has to look like Smarties, so it's different colors. What colors do you have? McKenna has never painted anyone's nails before.
Let's see how this goes.
She's got Smartie colors. She's got her pinks. All right, so tomorrow we will see the reveal of the cute costumes, right? All right, say goodnight.
Good night.
I don't know how long I'm gonna make it without you. these.
The balloons were supposed to go on you.
What?
I gave her 2 balloons to put on you. We have begun storage unit. So basically before there's one thing. We pulled out one thing so far, right Alex? We are going to clear it and make a path. You can't see anything in the dark. Down the middle.